Hi everyone, welcome to ESL Tutor for All. Today we're learning all 16 English tenses with 2 verbs, study and work. For each tense, I'll show you. When we use it, the sentence structure, and simple examples with study and work. Ready? Let's dive in. First, the present tenses. Present simple. We use it for habits, routines, or facts that are always true. The sentence structure is subject plus base verb. Here's an example with the verb study. I study English every day. Here's an example with the verb work. She works at a coffee shop on weekends. Present continuous. Present continuous is used for things happening right now. The sentence structure is subject plus the verb be plus verb with ing. For example, she is studying now. They are working on a project today. Present perfect. We use the present perfect when something started in the past and continues in the present. The sentence structure is subject plus have or has plus past participle. For example, they have studied for the test. I have worked at this company for 2 years. Present perfect continuous. We use the present perfect continuous to show how long something has been happening. The sentence structure is subject plus have or has been, plus verb with ing. For example, we have been studying for 2 hours. They have been working on the report all morning. Now, the past tenses. Past simple. We use the past simple for actions that finished in the past. The sentence structure is subject plus past tense verb. He studied yesterday. She worked late last night. Past continuous. We use the past continuous for actions in progress at a specific time in the past. The sentence structure is subject plus was or were plus verb with ing. I was studying at 8 p.m. They were working at the office all day. Past perfect. We use the past perfect for actions that happened before another past action. The sentence structure is subject plus had plus past participle. She had studied before dinner. He had worked on the task before the meeting. Past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous is used to show how long something was happening before another past event. The sentence structure is subject plus had been plus verb with ing. They had been studying all day. We had been working for hours before the break. Next, the future tenses. Future simple. The future simple is used to talk about something that will happen. The sentence structure is subject plus will plus base verb. I will study tomorrow. She will work at the store next week. Future continuous. The future continuous shows something in progress at a specific future time. The sentence structure is subject plus will be plus verb with ing. He will be studying at 7 p.m. They will be working on the new plan tomorrow. Future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous is used to show how long something will have been happening by a future point. The sentence structure is subject plus will have been plus verb with ing. By next week, they will have been studying for a month. By June, he will have been working at the factory for a year. Finally, the conditional tenses. Conditional simple. The conditional simple is used to talk about possible future actions. The sentence structure is subject plus would plus base verb. For example, I would study more if I had time. She would work harder if she got a promotion. Conditional continuous. Conditional continuous shows an action that might be happening now or in the future. The sentence structure is subject plus would be plus verb with ing. She would be studying if the library were open. He would be working now if the office wasn't closed. Conditional perfect. The conditional perfect is used to talk about something that would have happened in the past. The sentence structure is subject plus would have plus past participle. He would have studied if he hadn't been sick. She would have worked if the project hadn't been canceled. Conditional perfect continuous. The conditional perfect continuous shows how long something would have been happening in the past. The sentence structure is subject plus would have been plus verb with ing. They would have been studying for hours if the power hadn't gone out. I would have been working all day if the meeting hadn't ended early. Congratulations! You just learned all 16 English tenses with the verbs study and work. To keep practicing, rewatch this video. Pause and repeat the examples often to remember. Want more help? Click the link in the description to download our free worksheet to review all the tenses from this video. All the details are in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.